Hi, today I'm going to done one three-step makeup that is called that is three product makeup. For first of all, I done my skincare. I've already applied my moisturizer and sunscreen. So after that, I just take one product that is Lakme Nose Foundation. So I think you people already heard it earlier. So this is the foundation. So shade is little much different from me. So I take little amount. So this much is fine. So I'm taking this one and take, see, this is a cream. So I take like this. So I just apply this. So I want creamy texture, so I make it as a creamy one. So see, so I'm going to apply. I have acne, so even in here also I am applying. That's all. That's all. Finish. That's the thing. So after that, I'm going to apply eyebrow. How to fill in eyebrow. So this is Mars eyebrow pencil. So I'm taking, so second product. This is the thing. So I'm not taking. I'm just overline my eyelids here. So we will get little much shade here. This is fine. After that, I am taking. I doing with that same pencil. I am doing eyelids. Going to line my lips. So after that I am going to apply my blush. So I'm taking this blush. This one is Swiss Beauty brush. No, Swiss Beauty lipstick. So I'm using lipstick and as well as a brush from this lipstick. So how I will make this lipstick and blush and lipstick, I will show you. This is the color. So I'm taking little much amount. See, this much is fine. So I'm taking that same cream. So for that, it will become. See, this is the color, so we can apply wherever we want. So I'm going to apply here. Here. That's all. I'm not giving my eyes. I don't drawing eyes. So this is fine, I think. And after the same lipstick, I'm going to draw. So if you apply red lipstick, so it will give that nice like nice. If you don't apply so much makeup also, this will give that flush of color to our face. So this is fine. So I use only this product, this eyebrow pencil, this lipstick, and this Lakme Mask foundation. After that, I took base of this cream. This product only I use. So you can apply normal makeup. So I took, and I took. If you want more blush, I love this type of blush. So if you want blush, you can apply. So that's it. If you people like my makeup, please like, subscribe, and share. So that's all my video. Bye.